And then by the end, we ended up concluding we can't define this. We've done some thinking around like defining health. We have a science of health group here at Columbia, and we had like faculty members from six different departments trying to define health. And for like a year and a half, we we struggled. And then by the end, we ended up concluding we can't define this. So we had to break health into two pieces. One, there's intrinsic health, right? What happens kind of under the skin within the confine of you as a person. And then there's realized health, because health also has this dimension of, can you do and be the things that you value most in your life, out in the world? Like this is part of what being healthy means. And we ended up defining or operationalizing health as, because it's not a thing. Health, we said, is a field-like state. A field-like state, meaning that it's a state, right? It's not a thing you can observe, like measure now. It's actually
Dynamic.
It's dynamic, right? And it's a field like the field like piece of the definition pulls up the parallel with like an electromagnet, right? So we think health is a field like state that emerges like the magnetic field that emerges when you flux energy through a solenoid. Something emerges, right?
In health, in this case, sounds like it's what emerges when things move.
Yeah. And you can't like properties of fields is you can't directly observe the field to quantify the strength of a field. You need to see how the field interacts with something else, right? So you can quantify and see the effect of a field and the properties of a field by the effect it has on things. It's not directly observable, but you can look at the effect of health, that field-like state, by the effect it has on molecules, on the organs, on inter-organ communication, on your ability to recover from a challenge, right?